On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2015 Trilogy Dynamax 37BH. This fifth wheel is perfect for full-time living. As you enter this model, you'll immediately notice the beautiful L-shaped kitchen counter with waterfall edges. The countertop extension, with the matching solid surface covers that hide the range top and double stainless steel sink, give you plenty of prep space. There are ample storage cabinets below and above the matching stainless appliances, and a decorative tile backsplash with under-cabinet lighting gives this kitchen area a distinctive look. As we move to the rear, past the pantry, there is a spacious bedroom with 4 sleeping areas. The opposing slide-outs hold 2 bunks each, and the rear wall has tons of wardrobe space, with room for a TV. You will also find a half bath with a convenient private entrance to the outside. Moving back towards the front, there is space for a table and chairs on the left, followed by a large 3-person sofa next to the fireplace and entertainment center. At the top of the stairs, the bathroom is to the left. Inside, you will find a toilet, countertop sink, and a well-lit mirrored vanity. The large skylit shower has a built-in seat and textured glass doors. Continuing to the private front bedroom, you'll first notice the front wall wardrobe closet, with lots of extra storage compartments. At the foot of the queen-sized bed is a dresser with cabinet space to the side and TV area above. In the corner of the wardrobe closet is a stacked washer and dryer. This uniquely designed Trilogy Dynamax has all the spacious residential luxury you'll ever need for complete relaxation and entertainment. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.